got off work and I'm in traffic. That is the traffic. And this is Redmond. I have to go all the way to Tacoma. So I'm not driving the VR-4 today. I'm driving my Malibu, and gas sucks. Still in traffic. It's been about an hour and a half already. It just keeps getting bigger and bigger. I don't understand this, man. But I've been doing this since I got back from the trip. This is what I've been doing every day for 6 days a week. And then at night, I do my newspaper job. So, this is crazy. It's Friday. Not as much traffic this weekend on Friday because it's Memorial Day weekend and I don't think that everybody's working. So it looks cloudy. It said it was gonna be raining today, but it really didn't. So that's why I didn't drive the VR-4 today. I really wanted to drive it, but I think I'm just gonna drive it tomorrow, and I think I have tomorrow off, hopefully. So I have to get home, do the oil change, and then I'm gonna drive the car around to get it, get it back to where it was before I stopped driving it. So I will update you when I get to the house and am about to do the oil change. What up? I'm trying to go against the time right now. The sun went out. It was raining earlier, but I gotta do a oil change on the VR-4 because I'm going to drive it on Monday to work. So got a 17 millimeter right here, the ratchet. I already got it jacked up. Gotta undo this screw. Once all that drains out into this pan right here, unscrew this one. I got the new filter, screw that back in there. After we do that, fill it back up with oil. I will cut to when the oil is draining. Got the oil out. It's slowly draining in there. Good thing I decided to change the oil because there's not very much oil in here. So once that gets all done, well, I'm gonna change my gloves and I'm gonna take this filter off too. And then I'm gonna switch the filter, put this plug back on, and then I'll fill it with oil, and then we should be good. I need to get one of those coupler things that go around the filter because I'm trying to twist that off of there with my hands and it's definitely not working. So gotta go to O'Reilly's and get that grappler thing so I can take that off, and I'll have it for the future and I'll know how to be able to use it. So stay tuned. All right. It's getting darker and darker. I went to the store and picked up this, which is the oil filter screw, 3/8 wrench. Just got it right off. Took the old filter off, which is this one. This white one, all kinds filled with oil. All the oil, that's all the oil. Got the new filter out. Poured oil in it, filling up the filter, watching it bubble every couple minutes or so, and then just adding more oil in there until this is fully full. Once this is fully full, I'll screw that back onto the nozzle that's under there, and the oil filter nozzle that's under there that screws onto. I'll screw that back on there, and then I'll start putting more oil into the motor. Okay, it's really getting dark now. Okay, so I got the filter on. I made sure that the plug was screwed in and tightly and secure, and I couldn't unscrew it with my hand. as well with the oil filter. I tightened it off, hand tightened it as much as I can, not too tight because I want to get it off eventually. Now I'm going to lower the car so the car can be even, and then I'll start putting oil in. So I found the funnel. All this, all that crap in there. This funnel is janky. Well, now I'm just gonna start filling it with some oil, and then I'll cut back once I put 3 quarts in. Just got done putting oil in. Now I'm gonna check the dipstick and see where the level is. Second notch. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but I got it to exactly the second notch right there. So that means I'm all done. I'll put that back in here. Cool. Out of here. Let that cap go. Let the cap go. Eston. Where did I put that cap? Come on. I'll cut back when I found. Oh, there it is. There you go. Put that done. Put the cap back on this. Cool. Check for any leaks under here. No leaks. Filter looks good. Drain plug looks good. We're good to go. Let's start the car.
Lane from a star, lane from a star.
The treacherous terrain.
From a star, from a star. Lane from a star, lane from a star, from a star, from a star, from a star, lane from a star, from a star.
Alright, now that we're past all that, Happy Memorial Day!
Hello!
That's what we're doing today. Just wanted to say Happy Memorial Day, everybody. We are on a hike in the woods. Just a little exciting. Boom. And then we can continue on with the oil change. Alright. It's the next day. It's a lot better. It's Memorial Day and it's been sunny all day and hot. I thought it would be a better idea to capture me starting the car in the daytime. So I'm not going to start the car all the way. Well, I can start the car, but here we go. Let's just start it really quick. Got it all right there. See the gas gauge going up, the oil gauge going up. There you go. Job well done. We're all good. So, now, the sound in the background is me pumping up the tire. Because I'm going to drive it for a little bit, because haven't driven it in a while. The air. It's at 30 psi, that should be fine. Put this back on here. I think next thing we're gonna do is take these off, repaint them black, and then paint the calipers purple, and then get my new lug nuts. That's gonna be the next thing. Why is it still saying that I need oil? Still saying I need oil when I just filled it. So, let me turn it off. Let me go check. Check and see if it's a leak. Oh my gosh. What? What? Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. Ow. Ow. I tightened it up on there. I'll come back in a little bit.